Hello, Brad. Kamusta pala? Si Jade pala to. Oh, pre. Ano, may project kasi ako ngayon eh. Nagloko yung computer ko. Pwede bang humingi ng tulong sa'yo? Ha? Pupunta ka dito sa school mamaya. Sige, sige. Pwede ba kitang makita? Kasi kailangan ko talaga eh. Finals na kasi eh. Sige, sige. Salamat.
This will repair our computer. Here. There's a problem with our computer that it always crashes and also has a virus and it has a performance.
Everything is format like this. The virus will be like this. You can set our set the default settings, right?
Then we just have to install an OS
Yes,
to the format.
okay.
Okay.
No problem.
Oy, Brad.
Oh.
Ganito kasi. Nagka-problema kasi yung computer ko sa bahay.
Bali ikaw yung nasabing Jarek na
Oo.
papayas.
May project kasi ako ngayon eh. Kailangan kong maayos yung laptop ko. Kailangan reformat yun. Ano kaya pwedeng gawin doon?
Pwede yung format yun.
Kasi ano eh, nag-hang kasi siya tapos ano yung pang virus. Ano ba ang madaling pwedeng gawin doon?
Mas okay kung i-format na lang para maayos natin siya.
Ganun ba?
Parang kung wala talaga yung virus.
Sige, sige. Pwede bukas? Bukas?
Sige, pwede ako.
Busy kayo, di ba? Hindi kayo makakarating. So,
Sige, kahit ako na lang ngayon. Contact mo na lang.
sige, sige. Bukas na lang.
Sige. Hey guys, I'm gonna show you how to install or format Windows 7 operating system on your PC. Although I'll be using a virtual PC or Microsoft Virtual PC 2007. It's also the same. It also shows the same process on the. It also shows the same boot process on the PC. So there would be no problem on following this. Let's start. Here you see a Windows setup, EM is enabled, and Time64 recovery mode, EM is enabled. Windows setup, EM is enabled for 32-bit and Time64 for 64-bit operating system. So I'll be using the 32-bit. Now we're here in the installation screen of Windows 7. It's a default. We can change it, but I will choose this default. Click next. Now my installer has a complete Windows 7 version. So times 86 architecture um, means of 32-bit, while times 64 is the 64-bit. If you're using 64-bit PC, or if your architecture of your PC is 64-bit, you may choose the times 64, but if it's only 32-bit, you must choose times 86 architecture. So now I'll be choosing Windows 7 Ultimate times 86. Okay. You can read this license agreement. You can read, or you just can scroll it down or scan. Check I accept the license terms. Next. If you have a previous Windows installed on your PC, you can choose upgrade. But if you're repairing your PC, upgrade is not applicable because it just upgrade the operating system. It's not. It will not format. The things on your PC will just stay the same. It will just upgrade the current operating system that is installed. So choose a custom advanced. Here you click new for the new partition where we'll install the operating system. I apply. As you see, there's a auto created disk partition system reserve. It's for the operating system. It's needed for the installation to run, and or the other process for boot, like that. Next. Now it's installing Windows. It will take some time. If your PC is fast and got no problems regarding on the hardwares, or your installation disk is not having problem, this must be goes smooth. But if there's a problem on your installation disk or PC, it will prompt errors. So if that happens, better consult your technician or other provider, or if you know knows how to repair or check a PC, better ask for their assistance. Okay, now running the files 100%. After that installation, your PC will restart. You can click restart now, or just wait the countdown. Okay, we're done installing the operating system. Now we're going to configure system accounts and settings. Okay. Type a username. Well, you can figure it out later after finishing the setup. For if you want to, if you don't want to have a prompt for login in your PC, you can change it later. So I'll use Pctrob. Pctrob. Just use like that. It will be a password for your account fee. Your it's a hint for if you forgot your password, it will serve as a guide for you to remember what your password is. Here, for your Windows operating system to genuine, you must have a product key, or else your Windows operating system will be just trial, or there the the features might not be. You can't have all the features. You can if you can unlock your operating system by getting the product key. Well, we'll not be using a product key given by Microsoft. It's like just the other does. We'll just use a crack or loader. Okay, we'll just click skip. If your installer disk is genuine, if you bought it from genuine seller on Microsoft, use recommended settings. But if your installer is a pirated disk or just self-crack, not genuine by Microsoft, just click Ask Me Later. Time and date. Okay, next. Home network, work network, public network. If the network you're using is just home, you can home. It allows all the access, recognize all the connection on your network area. It's like you trusted this area. If you work network, although you recognize them all, but you just choose what you trust or just choose what you share. Public network, it's like if you're outside, if you don't want to recognize all the networks around, or you don't want to share any things on your computer. So I'm on home. Okay, if there's a already a network on your home, for example, home group. It will be detected by the installation. So you can just skip or just click the, or type the password so you can connect. So you'll be connected to the home group. Next, this will take some time. Now we're done on installing the Windows 7. Okay, just okay, we're done. Drivers installed, and also have antivirus. Okay, we've already connected this computer to the network. So my installers are this on this PC, the Vario. So just can copy this and I want this for Windows 7. Okay, and then hello. Okay, and then um, the antivirus. Because 32-bit, we must copy it. 32-bit, and the drivers. Normally, if you're formatting and installing those operating system, your PC, you must have your installer disk also for your drivers. But if you don't have your installer for your PC, drivers installers, and if you're connected to the internet, you can just download a driver detector for it will just it will install all the drivers you needed. Here I have a AMD driver downloader. It will detect because my video card is AMD. It will detect my video card driver and automatically download it. So we just use this driver reviver, also a driver detector. That's what I'm using. I think it's for okay. We must first activate the Windows. Yes. Activate. Some Windows activators are named as Windows Loader. Mine, I'm using the Windows Activator version by No Religion. Other examples of Here's are other examples of activators. Um, Here also has description and guides how to use it. So download many activators, because if there's one that's not functioning, because activators are also based on the versions. So if there's an updated version of Windows, the activator might not also work. So I have made okay, the loader certificate and serial were successfully installed. The character change. So the certificate and serial were now installed on the printer. That will say it's genuine, so I'm gonna restart it now. Even though you already unlocked the features of your computer by using a loader, you must not activate your automatic updates, because it will detect your PC if it's genuinely installed or just a pirated, and if it's detected, it will disable the thing that the loader does. Okay, now After this installation of antivirus, we'll be installing the drivers, and after it we're done. My hello sharing, and we'll just be using an app. Now we're just using a highlight. Or we can just activate later. So let's try out. Port. And now, stop. We'll be copying a times 86 architecture pro because we're using 32-bit. Copy and replace. It will ops can on the first op on first if you first open the software, it will autom scan your scan your PC for drivers installation. Although it does the it detected some all of the drivers on my PC. It shows that there's nothing to be downloaded or downloaded downloaded or to be installed because all the drivers are already updated. This is because I'm using a virtual PC, Microsoft Virtual PC 2007. But if you're not using a virtual PC 2007 and you're using a desktop PC to format, it will it will download all the drivers that have been detected on the scan. So now it's useful if you don't have drivers, the installers of your drivers, but you must have internet connection so that it can download all the drivers you needed. So thank you, and that's all. You can just now install or download, and if you want to browse net, and you can now install all the apps programs you want to. That's all. Thanks. Hope you learned something.